And we're crossing over into Pandora, as you can hear. A lot of people walking out, that makes me happy. Keep on walking out.
I can't have that sugar. Yeah, I'm not gonna throw it away. I had a bite.
Here we are. Dark Rocks. Again, someday I'll get here in the morning. Made it back to Pandora, and this time I am not super sick, so I'm excited to get to explore this place and take it all in without feeling like death while I'm here. Now I'm just waiting for my parents to come back and join me, and then we're gonna go explore, and then eventually, about over an hour from now, we have a fast pass boat ride, but ready to go explore this place and take it all in. We came in the Banshee Roost. There's all the Banshees. 22. Yeah, little stuffed Banshees. They don't do anything. No. They're just stuffed. It's a cute idea for sure. Disney's good at knowing how to sell things. So I didn't come in the gift store at all in September. I think I was just too sick and avoiding people as much as I could. Kind of taking in all the different merchandise that I saw in other people's vlogs, but taking it in for myself. There's one thing Disney's good at, it's setting a mood. Even the gift shop is highly themed. It's funny, they have these pods outside. It's a Rice Krispie treat in the shape of the pod. And some blueberry popcorn. Horror Nights fans, you know what I'm thinking right now. I'm not gonna say it, but you know what I'm thinking. Flight of Passage is definitely much busier. Yeah, we can if we can get through the people. It's currently a 135-minute wait for Flight of Passage. No thanks. We're on the, my mom and I are on the relaxing Avatar tour. Strolling through, taking in the sights and sounds, creatures, turtle doves of Pandora. So we just asked because last time when I was here they were doing drum shows, and we asked like how often drum shows happen, and apparently they're not doing the drum shows anymore. They're coming up with something new, which is kind of a bummer because I really like the drum show. It's actually coming up in, well, as for you guys, this week's vlog, which was like forever ago now, but I just edited it and it was really cool. Sorry, she's trying to look at the face paint. And now apparently they don't do the drums anymore. I really like them, so we'll see what they bring out instead, but the drums are awesome. I just love all the sound of the waterfalls. Makes it so peaceful in here. Go on the boat ride. Navi River journey time. Guys, I highly recommend that you do not do this. Do not wait for this ride. Get fast passes. Do not wait for it. It is way too short of a ride to wait for this. the river journey.
That was very pretty.
It was a quickie.
It was a quickie, yes.
I only have one thing that says Mahewa.
Mate! So, just don't wait for it. It's pretty if you have a fast pass, just don't wait for it. You're just gonna get irrationally angry. I would wait like 20 minutes for it max. It's just not long enough of an attraction to wait a long period of time. Now we're all drumming. We're at Satu'li, and they're cooking chicken. Lots and lots of chicken. So this is my first time eating here, because when I was here in September, I was not hungry enough to eat anything. So I'm excited to get to try this finally. I've heard nothing but good things. It smells really good. So I'm ready. Okay, so my mom got the chicken with the quinoa salad, quinoa vegetable salad. And my dad and I both got the beef with the sweet potato hash and the chimichurri sauce. Looks delicious. And then I had to get the blueberry cream cheesecake thingamabob because it just looks so pretty. We are here hanging out in the Satu'li Canteen. There's your little cross section so you can see into the cheesecake. Now it's time to eat it. We just finished eating at Satu'li Canteen. I don't know if I said that right, Satu'li. I thought everything was really good for counter service. Highly impressed. I think everyone said accurate things. I think it's some of the most delicious counter service you can get at Disney. The beef was awesome. I think I'd try maybe a different base just because, I mean, it was good, but I'd try a different one just for the sake of variety in the future. But definitely got a thumbs up. I mean, if you were outside of a theme park, I don't know that I would have been like, oh my god, that was amazing. But inside a theme park, when your options are usually burgers or chicken fingers, A+. So now, probably going to meet one of my internet friends who I've been friends with for over 10 years. Never met her in person before. She happens to be here tonight. Pretty sure I'm gonna meet her. It's just been everyone in Animal Kingdom tonight. That's why it's so busy, because all the locals are here too. So excited to meet some friends. So it's starting to light up in here. I didn't get to see it after dark last time, so I'm pretty excited about this. Seeing everything start to turn on. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, the beautiful view of the moon with Avatar below it. That's gorgeous. Yep. It's beautiful. Everyone told me it wasn't that impressive, but this is gorgeous. I am loving Avatar at night. Maybe it gets a little too dark in here once it's actually dark outside, but it's just kind of dusk right now, and I am obsessed with this. This is gorgeous. Look! The floors are lighting up. I can see it. It's starting. It's starting.
I'm thinking it'd be cool to have a fast pass at dark so when you come out.
Oh, it's all lit up like this.
Yeah.
There's another really awesome plant. These pods are all lit up. This is breathtaking. Like, I thought it was beautiful during the day, but this is special too. I can see why they have treats with the pods now, because during the daytime they're not that impressive, but at night they're gorgeous. More of the bioluminescent floors. So we actually had fast passes for the Rivers of Light, but we kind of decided just to explore around here instead and then get Starbucks and head out. Basically, we've had enough of crowds for the day. It's been a lot of crowds. We were more interested in seeing this at night than we were seeing Rivers of Light. So I'll see that eventually, but this, I'm so glad we stayed. Heading out. I have one last view of in here. This place is awesome. Goodbye, Pandora, for this trip. Well, that was awesome. It's the last birthday treat. The Starbucks lady saw it was her birthday and brought her over a Mickey pastry. That's so cute. You thought you were getting out of here. We were about to leave and your birthday was gonna be over. Got one last birthday surprise. No surprises today, and look at Disney delivering that Disney magic, right? I think we just missed the tree. I think the tree was doing stuff. I think we just missed it, but look at it. It's really pretty. Haven't seen it at night before. Wow. That's cool. Goodbye, tree. We are heading out. As you can tell, there's a lot of people here and it's kind of chaos. So we're getting out of here before it's too much crazier than this. So that's it for Animal Kingdom for this trip. And that means also the end of this Disney trip. But we'll talk about that more a little later after we leave the chaos. Goodbye. Until next time. Thanks for an awesome day. Oh, this tram driver though.
Yeah, no. Maybe?
This tram driver.
Wait for the stop, please. Wait for the stop, please. Wait. Almost there. Oh, you take me. Not yet. Almost. You've been out at the boat door. Oh, you're right. On the way. I see you tomorrow. I see you next week. I see you in a few months later. I see you 2, 3, 4, 5 years later, maybe. I hope so. Butterfly.
We're dying laughing over this.
Wait till happy for Yeti. Ready wait for Yeti?
Woo!
Alright, beautiful. How about butterfly? Ready wait for butterfly? Alright, beautiful. Cannot cry. Yeah, please stay on the ground, please. Stay on the ground. Wait for a train complete clear out, please. For your safety. Thank you. And I cry. Step back. Well, driver, you're clear for the back.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Rock and roll, here we go. On the way to final stop, Yeti, Butterfly. I hope you have a wonderful night. Drive safely for your next destination. We are almost there.
Almost.
Wait for the stop, please. Wait for the stop, please. Wait. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Not yet. Almost. So that's too tiny. Not yet. Still not yet.
Oh, there.
Not at the boat door. Oh, yeah, the other way. Oh, butterfly. Look at that. Watch your hand. Watch your step. Have a wonderful night and drive safely for your next destination. Bye-bye. Adios. Buenas noches. Adios. Have a wonderful night. Drive safely for your next destination. Bye-bye.
Yes, he's back here.
Let's see. Let's wait for when he comes back. We're gonna say goodnight to him. Adios. Night. Bye bye.
Adios. Have a wonderful night.
Smiling.
Bye. Adios.
Not yet.
Oh, that guy was hysterical. What a way to leave the park. Oh, what was the thing he said you were gonna remember? Do you already forget? I already forgot.
Oh, which part?
I don't know. You said you were gonna remember it. You didn't remember it. You said something. You were like, I can remember that one. Nope. I already forgot it. Hey guys, so we are back in the hotel room after 3 awesome days at Disney. We did the Festival of the Arts, we got to see some Magic Kingdom, and then today we did Animal Kingdom and really got to see all of Pandora except for Flight of Passage, which someday I'll get a fast pass for that, but it was up to about 160 minutes today for waiting for that ride, and Liz is not about the waiting life. That was definitely not this trip because it was very busy, but we had a great experience anyway, just kind of relaxing in Pandora, exploring it, having dinner there, riding the boat, and then exploring again once it was dark time. So dark time? Dark time. Nighttime, also known as dark time in Liz World. It's been a great 3 days. We have a lot of memories from this trip that were just fantastic. And then today was just crazy. To start the day, just happening to get to hang out with the cheap seats, to then this evening getting to meet one of my internet friends who I've had for 10+ years. You know, that's one of the things about Orlando is you just never know. You just never know. So hopefully it won't be too long before I'm back and running into familiar faces all over again. So thanks guys for joining me for this January 2018 Disney/Festival of the Arts trip. It was a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be back for more adventures soon.